In this video, I will show you how to make this assignment tracker in Google Sheets. To begin, I will merge some cells from A through F to make the title. In rows 5 through 8, I will type date, completed, in progress, and not started. To get today's date, I will type equals and today with brackets. To format the date, select Format, Number, and Custom Date and Time. In row 11, I will begin typing my column names: task, course, due date, days left, priority, and status. Then I will select them and right-click to convert to table. I want to make due date into a date picker, so I will select the arrow beside due date, edit column type, date, and date. I want to make status into a drop-down, so I will select the arrow beside status, edit column type, and choose drop-down. Now I will change the options to be not started, in progress, and completed. I will repeat these steps for priority and add low, medium, and high as options. Now I will repeat this for course so I can add my courses as options. To calculate days left, we need to use the due date minus today. This will not automatically apply to new rows added to your table, so instead we need to use the array formula. If any value in the column is blank, it will enter a blank value, otherwise it will do the formula. Now I want to keep track of how many rows are completed. I will use COUNTIF and then choose the range as the status column, and then check if the value is completed. I will copy and paste this formula into the in progress and not started and change the values. Next, I want to make my days left turn red if there are less than 5 days left. I will select Format and Conditional Formatting. My range is D13:D, which is the entire column after D13. I will choose Format if Custom Formula is. My formula will be equals $C13, which is my due date, and then less than today plus 5. Now I want to add a chart to visualize my data. I will click Insert and choose Chart. I will choose the donut chart. My data range is F13:F. This will select the entire column after F13. Make sure to check the Aggregate checkbox from the Setup menu. I will insert another chart to visualize by subject. This time the range is B13:B. I will hide the grid lines by selecting View, Show, and then unchecking Grid Lines. I modified some of the colors of the drop-downs to match my charts better. I want my text to turn gray to indicate that the status of my task is completed. I will choose Format and Conditional Formatting. My range will be A13:F, which is the entire dataset. I will choose Format Cells if Custom Formula is. My formula is equals $F13 equals completed in quotations. Now I want to create a custom to-do view. I will click the icon beside the assignments and then select Create Filter View. Now I will select the filter icon beside status and uncheck completed to hide it from the view. Now I will save the view as to do. I can now access the view through the icon beside my assignments. Now I can add a new task by clicking the plus icon at the bottom of my table. All the formatting should automatically apply to the new row. And that's it, you have now created an assignment tracker. Thanks for watching.